looks good. Let's see the back of it. Let's see the back. I want to see the tail. Good. Then we have, they are not turtles.
They're ladybugs.
They are definitely ladybugs.
Yes, he has antennas and 6 legs.
Obviously.
That's Leslie.
Oh, you have names for it.
Yes, this is Leslie.
Leslie.
This is Lars. And that's Lisa.
Of course.
And I'm in the process of making
Do they have
one
like
more.
birth certificates too and stuff like that?
I'm planning that.
Oh, yeah? Did your visualization help your pot?
Yeah, it did.
It did?
Yeah.
What problems did the visualization solve? Do you know?
Maybe, I don't know, the wings. Probably.
The wings, yeah. When you started to draw it, you realized, oh, that might be a big problem. Yeah. Good. And that's all hollow, huh?
Yes.
Is that done with coils?
Yes.
Okay.
And then if he fires them on Monday night,
What do we got here?
I'm doing like an eagle, like a horse.
An eagle horse?
Yeah.
Like a Pegasus almost, huh?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, what is this?
it's my elephant.
It's an elephant? Looks really clean. Nice job. Really. What exactly is that? Is it
An eagle.
An eagle?
Yeah.
With legs? Lion eagle?
Yeah.
Cool. Very nice. Some detail work going on here. And we have 7 fingers over here. And this is a
Platypus.
platypus.
It's Perry the platypus.
What's who? Oh,
Perry
Perry.
from Phineas and Ferb.
Oh, of course.
He has a hat.
Oh, of course he does. There we go. Good job.
Thanks.